If you are looking for easy work from home opportunities that you can do from anywhere and earn money in your free time, here in this video I'm going to discuss about a great opportunity where you can earn money in your free time doing simple, easy tasks. So here take interesting paid tasks from anywhere, whenever you want. And here the pay rate is around $8 per task or $8 per hour. You will be getting a variety of tasks available. There are different brands that used to conduct research studies like Google, Unmind, Stanford University, Oxford University is there. So these are the world leading brands that used to conduct different research studies, and you can earn money, have fun, and advance human knowledge. And also you will be paid in the form of real money and not any kind of like gift cards or cashback that some other companies do. Here you will be getting varied tasks and you will be having complete flexibility. So you will be able to see all the available tasks on the dashboard, and accordingly you can choose any project to work upon, and all tasks you receive are tailored to you and completely voluntary. Exit anytime for any reason. So this is totally flexible and it is up to you when to work upon and which project to work upon. So the company's name is Prolific and company offers a variety of micro tasks available. You can explore, contribute and learn from a variety of interesting tasks. Here you will have the opportunity to collaborate with the world's top AI researchers, business leaders and academics, all using Prolific to learn about human behavior. So here a variety of projects available that you can do from home in your free time. For example, explore human behavior. Here it says play decision-making games, take reflective questionnaires, help critical research on emotions, personalities, and relationships. So different brands used to conduct various types of research studies, and you can participate in those studies, and accordingly you can solve the questionnaire and you can resolve the queries, and you can help researchers in critical research on emotions, personalities, and relationships. Some projects are related to AI. You can make AI more reliable and inclusive, so you can work to improve AI model, and you can evaluate machine learning models and consider key questions about AI and human interaction. So what you will be doing, you will be basically answering those questions that are available in the project. And likewise, you can influence new products and brands. So basically, the companies used to conduct research studies and asking for opinions on website designs, digital influencers, and fresh brands. And you can shape the products and services of tomorrow. So basically, based on your responses and your feedback, the company used to launch their product. Companies used to incorporate all those changes according to the feedback or the answers that they get from their research participants. Prolific was co-founded at Oxford University in 2014, and it was created by researchers for researchers, and Prolific was built to provide a better way to get high quality human data to and input. The company always puts humans at the forefront of online research, which is why we offer higher payment than many other services. The payments are through PayPal, and you will always receive cash, never gift cards or points. So this is a good opportunity because most of the survey companies or microtask companies, they used to offer like gift cards or cashback. Prolific offers real money. So once you have earned around like $6 or £6, you can cash out directly from your Prolific account. And the most interesting part is that this is a global opportunity. So regardless of your geographic location, you can apply for this opportunity, and you can work on this platform for any reason. So this is a good opportunity because here you can decide on your own at which project would you like to work upon, and you can also create your own schedule. If you're really interested, you can create an account at Prolific and start earning by doing microtasks and helping brands in conducting research studies or surveys. And here, by working as a research participant, you can help various global brands to conduct research studies and surveys, and accordingly contribute to improve the product, the services, and even AI models. So go ahead and check out all the details before you apply for the job. And this could be a great opportunity for anyone. Here you're not required to have any kind of particular experience or any particular qualification. So no matter if you are a student, a housewife, or a working professional looking for a side income kind of opportunity, you can apply for the job. Thank you for listening.